Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a recipe book or how you can design a recipe book cover in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login you'll find here a search bar. Just click and write recipe book. Okay, so press enter. After pressing enter you'll find many recipe book templates, which is too many, 73,000. So just choose one and start customizing by yourself. I'm going to show you how. So if you choose this one, this will be like this. If you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Sorry, server error. Okay, here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. So if you want to zoom this, just click on Ctrl plus up scroll. It will zoom like this. Ctrl plus up scroll from mouse. Then you can see here my recipe book. If you want to color this, just go here text color and you can color it any color you want. Okay, so if you want to change this background, go here share this color and you can change the background too. Here's the borderline has changed. So now you can see the underline. If you want to add any text, just add, but this is too small, so don't need to add. You can see here the thing of cook for cooking. Okay, if you want to add another thing, just you can make it remove by clicking on backspace. Then you can write here the thing you want to add, like jug. Here you'll find many jugs. Let's choose this one. It will be like this. Then you can write here pot. You'll find a different type of pot. Just choose and it will be like this. Okay, or if you want to make it undo, just go here undo. All things will be like before. Okay, so if you want to color this thing, just go here and you can make it color any color you want. Same here, you don't need this. You can add your Instagram here. Here you can see breakfast and brunch, 3 p.m. snacks. You can add your item here, like breakfast burritos, appetizers, snacks, salads and dressings, soups and stews. You can write here soups and corns. Okay, so here you can see vegetarian vegan dishes and seafood, fish. If you want to color this, just double click, go here text color. You'll find many colors. Okay, this has changed. If you want to change the font, go here font. You'll find many fonts. Click on this, it will be changed. Okay, so here the recipe, you can add your recipe here, how you made this. You can write, just double click and write one breakfast burritos. Then write your thing how you made it. Firstly, do this thing, blah 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 blah. Just write the thing, your recipe here. So after completing, if you want to make it more decrease, just you can add like this. Okay, if you want to make it increase, then plus. If you want to add something here, you can go here element and you can write anything and you can add here. So I'm gonna show you now. Here's the ingredients. Okay, what ingredients do you need? Like rice, then water, milk, whatever you can write here. So you can change the background picture. color, just go here and change the background color. So simple. Just click on a space and go here, change the background. So after completing this work, how you can download it? You can go here, share, and you can see here download. Click on this and it will be suggested for file type. Just click on file type and choose the PDF standard or the suggested one and start downloading here. So after downloading, you can send this work direct to a mail to from here. So go share, you can see here collaborate link, click on this and you can make this anyone with the link, and you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a recipe book in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.